In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort Google Drive by file size. Google Drive is an amazing tool that helps us store and organize our files online. However, as the number of files increases, it can become challenging to keep track of them all, especially when you're running low on storage space and need to identify large files. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process of sorting your Google Drive files by size to help you manage your storage effectively. First, you'll want to start by opening up Google Drive. You can do this by simply navigating to drive.google.com in your web browser and logging in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on the main Google Drive page, take a look at the left-hand sidebar menu. You'll see several sections here, such as My Drive, Shared with Me, and others. What you're going to focus on right now is the Storage option. Go ahead and click on Storage in the left sidebar. This is your go-to section for viewing and managing all the files and data that you've accumulated on your Google Drive. Once you've clicked on Storage, you'll be greeted with a list of files that are currently taking up space in your drive. By default, these files might be organized in a certain manner, but if you look closely to the right-hand side of the list, you'll see an option labeled Storage Used. Click on Storage Used. This action will immediately sort your files by size, listing them from the largest to smallest. This is incredibly useful for quickly identifying those space-hogging files that you might want to delete or move to a different storage platform. Now, sometimes you might want to see the smaller files first. No worries, Google Drive has you covered there too. If you click on Storage Used once again, the sort order will be reversed. This means that the smaller files will now be at the top of the list, and larger ones will be towards the bottom. This feature is particularly helpful if you're looking for smaller files that could be hidden among the larger ones, or if you're just trying to get a better picture of what your storage situation looks like on both ends of the spectrum. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can easily sort and view your Google Drive files by their size. This simple process will empower you to manage your storage more effectively, making the task of organizing files or clearing up space much less daunting. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tutorials that simplify your digital life.